I'll take you down to my slaughterhouse. Fuck the law, death to the cause. Fuck the world, I'ma stay gone. I'll lay you down next to your dog. I'll take you down to my slaughterhouse. Fuck the law, death to the cause. Better start praying to God. Leave you on the hill by the cross. I got these cutters and I'll spot. See me walking, I've been lurking in the woods in the dark. It's all the red, full and vague, super creatine. Mobbing from the house across the bridge on the hill with the crust. It falls to the end, black and asshole in your yard. See the all white crosses, watch them pass in the car. I put on my skin mask when you see me in the dark. I stay in my slaughterhouse, I stay in my toy park. When you're driving in the night, guess I'll stop on my road. I keep a shiny old knife and I'm in Trevor mode. Streets stay in the old fields, dark night of a scarecrow. I can never fuck with lames, you don't want me in your home. You don't go in my slaughterhouse, you know how it's about to go. CC in the light, I walk among the tombstones. Yeah, I am cemetery, take you where you need to go. Take you across the rainbow bridge, way onto the white shores. I'll take you down.